Hello friends, welcome to Young Notes. In this video, you will learn 3 important tips to generate a sequence of numbers in Excel. Okay, so there are 3 different ways are available to create a sequence of numbers. Number 1 is using dragging approach. Number 2 is using sum function, and number 3 is using latest function sequence. Now we will see the examples one by one. The first approach is using drag and drop approach. So for that, just type your starting number in cell 1 and cell 2. By default, the number is 1 and 2, or you can choose your own starting number. Okay, so once you complete the starting number and select the 2 cells and drag by your hand to fill the remaining cells. Okay, so in this way you can form the sequence. Now I will show the demo. So this is the cell 1, so here I am using the starting number 1, and this is the second cell, here I am using the starting number 2. Now just select these 2 cells and use the dragging and to fill the rest of the cells that you want. So in this way you can generate a sequence of numbers. Okay, so the first 2 cell is compulsory. Suppose if you are giving input, if you are giving first cell as an input, you will not get the output. Okay, so you will always get the 1. So the thing is that you need to submit 2 inputs and then select the dragging, then you will get the sequence of numbers. So this is the first approach. And second one is using Excel sum function. Okay, so this function will take one argument. The argument is your cell. The cell actually contains your starting number, and just increment the cell with 1. Okay, because you want a sequence of numbers, so just adding a number with the previous cell and you will get the sequence of numbers, and after that just drag the rest of the cells. Okay, so the syntax is sum and your previous cell plus 1. Now I will show the demo. So for to use this function, first fill the cell 1. So here you need to give the starting number. So here I am giving the starting number as a 1. So in the second cell, just use sum. Within the sum, just select the cell. Okay, and now just add plus 1 and close the function operator and press enter. Now the sum is prepared. So just use the dragging and fill the rest of the cells. So in this way you can automatically generate a sequence of numbers. So here the starting number is your option. Suppose if you are selecting starting number 5 means, so here you can add cell plus 1 and now you will get a 6. After that just use dragging to fill the rest of the cells. Okay, so in this way you can generate a sequence of numbers. So this is the second approach. And third one is using sequence function. Actually it is a latest Excel function. So using this function you can also fill the target number of rows and columns. Okay, and it is important to note that it is available only on latest Office 2021 and online Office 365 or higher version. So it is not available in Word, Office 2016 and 19 on lower versions. So here the first argument is mandatory and rest of the arguments are optional. Okay, so this is a syntax. Just use equal sequence and followed by row, column and start and stop. So here the row is a mandatory argument to specify the number of rows that you want, and column is optional argument, so you need to specify the number of columns. Suppose if you don't specify any column, the default is a 1. Okay, and start is an optional argument to specify the starting number. If you don't specify anything, the default is a 1. And last one is a step, that is a gap between the sequence of numbers. This is also optional argument to specify the interval gap. Suppose if you don't specify anything, the default is a 1. Okay, now I will show the demo. So here go to your target cell and just type sequence. Okay, so here you can see the 4 type of arguments. So just fill the first arguments, that is the rows. How many rows you want? I want 25 and close the function operator. Just press enter and here you will get the 25 cells. Okay, so in this way you can generate a sequence of numbers, and this is the latest function on Office 2021 and 365 and higher versions. Okay, I hope these 3 tips are useful to you. So try this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.